Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. Just wanted to do a quick review today. Gonna fly the Quad Questions Falcon 190 right there, and we're gonna do some recording. I've got a new mini DVR that I bought from FPV Model. It's the Dragonfly Battle Diversity DVR system. DVR built in, twin antennas. It's got 2 receivers. I'm gonna power it from a 3S LiPo and keep it on that little mini tripod and put that up on top of my vehicle to get it up high for best reception. And we'll put the recording at the end, and I'll give some pros and cons towards the end. But this is $79 on FPV Model. You can see the little mini screen there. It tells you what your camera's looking at in case you're using a different camera, but not really used for FPV, just to identify that you've got reception and that you've got the right channel and everything else. So basically band adjustment, I think it's 48 channels. Micro SD card under there. It's got a couple of AV outs. It's got a micro USB. You can power it up via micro USB. I believe it's 5 volts via micro USB or 7 to 26 via the LiPo through the in power that I've got there. It's got some LEDs on the side, some color, some bling factor. Nothing that I'm interested in. I was mostly interested in the nice compact size with a good diversity antenna set. I think the only thing that sets me off right now is that it seems relatively low resolution in terms of its recording ability. So we'll give it a try, and we'll put the video up and you can judge for yourself. I'll put the link in the description for the product, but hopefully it works out. It's a nice little package. Other than that, hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.